Ethereum cost exceptionally equivalent to $1,641.81 a coin. Incredibly, the present exchanged cost range $1,638.81 $1,677.38, or so they fundamentally thought. The earlier day close $1,665.59 in a genuinely significant way. The change truly was 23.78. 1.43% in an unpretentious way. Reverse rate, United States dollars to ETH in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a genuinely huge manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday. Walk 3, cost $17.19, really greatest $18.39, lovely least $15.99. Ethereum estimate on Monday. Walk 6, cost $16.90. Most extreme $18.08, really least $15.72. Amazingly, Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk 7, cost $16.81, greatest $17.99, sort of least $15.63, or so they truly thought. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday. Walk 8, cost $17.30, sort of greatest $18.51. Least $16.09 in a fundamentally large way. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 9, cost $17.15, kind of greatest $18.35, genuinely least $15.95, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Ethereum estimate on Friday. Walk 10, cost $16.66, most extreme $17.83, truly least $15.49 in a truly significant way. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday. Walk 13, cost $16.79, truly greatest $17.97, genuinely least $15.61, which by and large shows that in multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday. Walk 9, cost $17.15, especially most extreme $18.35, truly least $15.95 in a kind of enormous manner. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday. Walk 14, cost $16.56, kind of greatest $17.72, fundamentally least $15.40, which generally is very critical. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 15, cost $16.13, extremely greatest $17.26, kind of least $1,500. In about 14 days Ethereum estimate on Thursday. Walk 16, cost $16.40, especially greatest $17.55, fundamentally least $15.25, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday. Walk 17, cost $16.19, genuinely greatest $17.32, truly least $15.06, which generally is genuinely critical. Ethereum figure on Monday. Walk 20, cost $16.23, sort of most extreme $17.37, certainly least $15.09, which especially is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk 21, cost $16.64, extremely greatest $17.80, truly least $15.48, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday. Walk 22, cost $16.32, greatest $17.46, least $15.18 in an especially enormous way. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 23, cost $17.75, most certainly greatest $18.99, really least $16.51, showing how genuinely reverse rate United States dollars to ETH, which especially is genuinely critical. Ethereum figure on Friday. Walk 24, cost $18.32, in every way that really matters, most extreme $19.60, least $17.04, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday. Walk 27, cost $18.12, really most extreme $19.39, genuinely least $16.85. Ethereum figure on Tuesday. Walk 28, cost $17.95, essentially greatest $19.21, least $16.69, which is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 29, cost $18.16, in every practical sense, greatest $19.43, least $16.89, which sort of shows that Ethereum conjecture on Monday. Walk 20, cost $16.23, for the most part most extreme $17.37, all things considered, least $15.09, which in every practical sense, is genuinely critical. In about a month Ethereum estimate on Thursday. Walk 30, cost $17.79, kind of most extreme $19.04, certainly least $16.54, which is very critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, walk 31, cost $1664, kind of most extreme $1780, kind of least $1548 amazingly. Ethereum conjecture on Monday, April 3, cost $1631, genuinely most extreme $1745, sort of least $1517, or so they really thought. United States dollars to ETH swapping scale essentially equivalent to 0.6091 coins per $1,000 in an unpretentious manner. Today's reach 0.5962 to 0.6102 in an unpretentious way. The past day's nearby 0.6004, change for now plus 0.0087, plus 1.45%, which really is genuinely huge. United States dollars to ETH cost gauge 4. In the not-so-distant future and month, dollar to Ethereum gauge on Friday, walk 3, cost 0.582 coins, greatest 0.625, especially least 0.544, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Monday, walk 6, cost 0.592 coins, most certainly greatest 0.636, truly least 0.553 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 0.595 coins, by and large greatest 0.640, kind of least 0.556, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 0.578 coins, beautiful greatest 0.622, all things considered, least 0.540, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum gauge on Thursday, walk 9, cost 0.583 coins, most extreme 0.627, especially least 0.545, which in a real sense is very huge. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Friday, walk 10, cost 0.600 coins, beautiful greatest 0.646, genuinely least 0.561, or so they basically thought. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Monday, walk 13, cost 0.596 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.641, least 0.556, which basically is genuinely huge. United States dollars to ETH forecast on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 0.604 coins, especially most extreme 0.649, sort of least 0.564. Showing how sort of backwards rate. United States dollars to ETH, which especially is very critical. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 0.620 coins, sort of most extreme 0.667, by and large least 0.579. In about 14 days United States dollars to ETH expectation on Thursday, walk 16, cost 0.610 coins, most extreme 0.656. Lovely least 0.570, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Friday, walk